Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. Zena says hi. She's so excited. Wyatt is here in his video filming pose as always. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Come on, tell everybody hi. Tell everybody hi before you go to sleep. Tell them, show them how you earn your treats. Yes. That's it? Okay. All right. So today's video is an unboxing video. My Fashom box came. Loving Fashom. My last box was a really good one. Fashom is a subscription styling service. $15 styling fee. Goes against anything that you keep. Free shipping both ways. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. You kick it off via the app or your browser. Pick a stylist. Give them any feedback you want. You do fill out a profile. And then you wait a couple days and your stylist sends you some items to preview. Usually it's about 8 to 10 items you can choose from. You pick 5. If for some reason you didn't like those items and you want more, you just send an email and let her know and she'll send you more styles to choose from. You pick 5 of them. Put them in your cart, check out, and then a few days later, voila, your box comes. So pretty cool. Here is the inside of my box. I already forgot what I picked, of course. You get a nice little envelope that has your pricing sheet in here. And a little card. It says better as I am. That is their logo. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. And then it gives you a nice little rundown of what you need to do next in case you're not sure. We'll go through pricing here at the end. You get an envelope to return what you don't love. And let's get to the bundle. Colors, lots of colors. So let's dig in. All right, so first up, stripes. I think this is a jumpsuit. Yes, it is. So this is by Skies Are Blue, and it is a jumpsuit. Has a little elastic in the back. The straps are adjustable, and I think it is cropped. Yes, cropped. Has an elastic waist. It does have a belt, a thin little belt. That's cute. Unless I have to go to the bathroom. It is lined, so fully lined. Both top and bottom. And it looks like it's just a slip-on. Cute. All right, check this top out. So colorful. This is by APNY. Is that not colorful? So it's a button down, but it's thinner. Almost sheer, I think. The back of it has the buttons at the bottom. Very pretty. It's a little bit wrinkled, but I love the colors. More color. This is what? A tank cami. Little cami. And some bright greens, florals. Has a little crisscross in the front here. This is by, I did say where the top was by, right? This one is by Staccato. I think the colors in this are very pretty. And it is a little bit longer, which is nice. It's also a little bit wrinkled, but pretty. Next is another top. More colors. This is also by Staccato. This is long. Check this out. So this is the front. And this is the back. Check out that back detail there. Little cutouts. It also has a slit at the bottom. Has the pretty pinks. Pink, green, yellow, all kinds of color. And last item is a pair of Articles of Society jeans in this very pale, is this pink, purple? I think this is almost a pale lilac. Seeing this getting rowdy. Very nice. No distressing. Just a nice pair of little, these are jeans, they're not crops. It says ankle skinny. Cute. The color is wonderful. All right, so I did happen to glance down and see the price. If I kept everything, can you hear Xena? All right, so everything, all pieces, so none of this seems reasonable for all 5 pieces, $250. And if you keep all 5, you get a 30% discount. That's nice, right? So I would get an additional $75 off. So all five items would be $175, which seems pretty reasonable, but we'll have to see how they look on, right? Right, so I will be right back. Alrighty, so first up is the jumpsuit. And it's actually very cute. Let me start with that. Okay, so here's the full view of it. I put it on with just a pair of sandals. It's a little bit wrinkled. I do have to say that I would have to make sure that I didn't wait till the last minute to go to the restroom because I kind of had to shimmy it on a little bit over my hips because there's no zippers or anything. It's just this elastic waist. So I had a little bit of a problem. Like it's not an easy slip on. You kind of have to shimmy it on a little bit, which is surprising because I do have room here, but it's like it wasn't an easy slip on. So I have to plan for that. I do have a little bit of room in the crotch. It hangs a little bit low. And it might be like a little bit tight here in the chest. So, all that being said, I'm not sure it's a perfect fit. But I do think that it's a cute jumpsuit. I like the stripes in it. The flow of it is very nice. It is completely lined. I like the adjustable straps. It's probably a little bit long on me. I see a string here. Oh, there it is. It probably is meant to be maybe a slightly shorter, maybe. I'm not sure. What do you guys think of this? So I can get a little bit closer. I like the idea of it. It's a cute little jumpsuit. I might be able to lower maybe if I lowered the straps a little bit, maybe that would help the top fit better. All right. I think this is cute as far as jumpsuits go. All right, I'll be right back with a different outfit. Okay, so next outfit is this very pretty floral cami, and I love that my stylist matched all of the tops to these Articles of Society jeans, which are this very pale pink lilac-y color. And so the first top is this cami with the crisscross front and the floral colors in the floral print, sorry. And it does have the, let me see, the straps. Yeah, there is adjustable straps in this one, which is nice. So I can bring this up a little bit more if I want to. And it is longer in the back than in the front, which is nice. It is a nice length. I like this. I do like the little cross in the front, the crisscross in the front too. I think that's cute. And I do love this green. I think that's very pretty as well. And it looks nice with this, these jeans. So the jeans are a little bit long on me. I did have to cuff them. And I like that this is a little bit of a twist from the bright white for spring. So I think these are a nice jean. They do fit me, other than length, they do fit well. They have a nice stretch to them. And I think they're cute. I do have a little bit of room under my arms here, so I do think I could bring this up a little bit. So that's nice that it's adjustable. All right, let's do another top. Okay, next top. So I didn't realize that when I had pulled all these tops out, how well that my stylist did pairing them with these jeans. So shout out to my stylist, who is Molly. I think she did a great job trying to put outfits together for me. So awesome job. Anyway, this is the next top, and it's a pretty floral on a navy background. And I think it shouts spring and happy, and it looks nice with these jeans. But otherwise, it feels like a basic tank until you look at the back of it. And then it's like, oh wow, wait, what? And I really like that it has all of these cutouts, and it has the slit, and it has this little seaming, and I think it's very cute. So hopefully you guys can see that. So I think it's a nice detail. So this would be cute for work underneath the jacket, and then you go out after work, take off the jacket, and it's a fun, pretty blouse. I wasn't sure if I thought that it was too loud of a print. So that's the only thing I'm struggling with, but I like the blouse. So you guys have to let me know what you think. I like that this one has the thicker straps too. So you could always put a tank that has a lower back on with this, and then it would be bra friendly as well. All right, next top. Okay, so the last and final item is this very colorful button-down blouse with the super long back that also has the buttons, which I think this blouse is just beautiful. Now you see I have two different arms here. I was showing you that it has the rolled tab if you like that. You don't have to button it if you don't want to. I don't always love that look, so sometimes I won't use the tab. Sometimes I want to cut that off and ignore it altogether, but you could also leave it long, and I have to cuff it because this sleeve is long on me, so I have to at least do this. So you can tell me which sleeve you like better. I think it all depends on your preferences. I will have to do some sort of a cuff or roll of some sort just because of how long it is. But the colors in this top are just beautiful. It looks wonderful with these pants. The colors go so nicely together. It has a nice flow to it. And I usually don't like button downs, but I think this one is just really pretty. It's very lightweight, so it might be nice going into spring in the evenings and be nice just over top of a white tank. You could wear it open, you could tie it. I think it's pretty. So you guys will have to tell me what you think of it. I do like it with this color pant too. It really does look nice. All right, and that was my final item. So I'll get a little bit closer just so you guys can see what this top looks like. And I'll be right back with pricing. So what did you guys think? First of all, from a color perspective, loved it. I think Molly did an awesome job. Loved it. I think this box of possibilities. I'm more excited about this box than I have been from some of my others, because I haven't kept much lately, if anything. So let's talk pricing. First up, the Staccato V crisscross neck floral top. Sometimes the wording is so odd on these. Okay, so that's the green top. So I actually threw, right before the try on, or while I was trying on the jumper, I threw the tops in the dryer for like 3 minutes, and that took most of the wrinkles out of these items. So I love when that happens. But that was this top right here. And this is $37. So that's not a terrible price point. And I thought this was a pretty top. I like it. I think it would go with a lot of items. I loved it with the pants, so that's a maybe for me. Next up was the Articles of Society Sarah Ankle Skinny Pant, $73. What did you think of these? I love the color. The only thing is, these are full-length jeans. I'm going into warmer weather. How much will I pull these? Not sure, but not a bad price point. And I love Articles of Society jeans, and they go with all these tops. So also a maybe. Next up is the APNY multi-striped tunic button-down shirt, $57. Just love the colors in this, and I thought it flowed really nicely. It looked nice on. I liked this too. It's a maybe. The Skies Are Blue waist string belt slip jumpsuit. That was $43. Not a bad price point either. I actually thought this was really cute. The fit was not perfect, which is kind of, you know, makes me hesitate. But I thought it was a cute jumpsuit. I thought it looked nice on, even though the crotch was a little bit lower with the flow of this fabric. I didn't think that, and most jumpsuits are like that, but I didn't think you could really tell in this as well. Oh, so I thought this was cute. And last up is the Staccato V-neck crisscross sleeveless floral top. This was $40. I thought this was fun in the back. So again, if I kept everything with the discount, it'd be $175 for all 5 items. Otherwise, I keep what I like, send back what I don't. You do get 25% off if you keep at least 3. So if you don't keep all 5 for 30% off, you keep at least 3 pieces, you would get 25% off those 3 pieces. So I could just keep the bright tops and not keep the jumper and the jeans since we're going into spring. But the color of those jeans looks so nice with the 3 tops, right? Ugh, what to do? All right, guys, help me. What should I do? Let me know what stood out to you. What did you like? I will put all these items down below. I will put my referral link to Fashom down below too in case you would like to give Fashom a try. I've really been enjoying their picks lately. This box I feel like has really been stepping it up, and I like their structure, their discount structure. So you only have to keep 3 items, get 25% off. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so please, please, please let me know what you think. I would love to hear. I would love it if you'd also hit that like button. Zena's getting rowdy. She knows we're wrapping up. I would also love it if you hang out with us and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.